DJI Mavic Pro Fly More Combo Collapsible Quadcopter Drone Safety Bundle with extra 2 batteries, landing pad kit and more accessories. The DJI Mavic Pro is a small yet powerful drone that turns the sky into your creative canvas easily and without worry. The ease of setup and takeoff is astounding, and this drone is very quiet. It is helping you to make every moment an aerial moment. Its compact size hides a high degree of complexity that makes it one of DJI's most sophisticated flying cameras ever. 24 high-performance computing cores, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3-mile (7 kilometers) range, 5 vision sensors, a 4K camera stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This is all at your command with just a push of your thumb or a tap of your finger. Photos with altitude, because everybody loves a good photo. Whether you just want to take a snap or are building up your portfolio, the Mavic's 12-megapixel camera with Adobe DNG RAW support is ready to shoot. Get in the frame. Get selfies like you've never seen before with gesture mode. With the Mavic in the air pointing at you, a gesture is all it takes to take a photo. The Mavic uses sky autonomy technology to sense obstacles up to 49 feet (15 meters) away. It can then bypass these obstacles or brake to hover, preventing accidents even when flying beyond visual range. Vision positioning paired with GPS and GLONASS ensures precise positioning indoor and outdoors. Fly by phone over Wi-Fi for even easier flight. The DJI Mavic Pro is easy and smooth to fly. The DJI Mavic Pro can easily be taken along on hikes with your friends, on a bike ride, to your campus at the university, family trips, etc. This combo pack comes with everything that you need.